This is just an 11-piece jigsaw. It was designed and made by Mr. Puzzle from Australia. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 10 out of 10 on the Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to pack all 11 jigsaw pieces into the frame. If you like just an 11-piece jigsaw puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and hit the subscribe button if you would like to access more videos from Puzzle Master. The just an 11-piece jigsaw is made from laser cut acrylic. It has a black frame and it has 11 jigsaw pieces. As you can see, 9 of them are inside of the frame, and it seems like there is not enough space for more pieces, but there are 2 more pieces, piece number 7 and piece number 5. They are here on the side of the frame. You have to find a way how to put them inside, even though it looks totally impossible. Maybe you will be able to squeeze one of the parts inside, but it's definitely not enough space for one more piece. But there is a solution and you have to find it, but you will spend a lot of time trying to figure out the way how to put all parts inside of the frame. If you like the just an 11-piece jigsaw and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, one of the world's largest retailers of puzzles. Thank you for watching. See you next time.